Every Android phone user needs to do this right now on their Android phone to protect every apps on you have on your Android phone, most especially the nursing mode. You need to protect some of the apps on your Android phone if you don't want your apps to be deleted unwanted or accidentally deleted on your Android phone by your keys. Let me show you what you need to do on your Android phone to protect your apps on your Android phone. For that, go ahead and make sure you look for your Phone Master. Having opened up your Phone Master, next thing you need to do is to click on these three sliders from the top. And the next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on Settings. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Protected Apps. So here we go. You will have all apps on your Android phone right here. All you have to do is to go ahead and select as many as possible apps you want to fully protect from being automatically or mistakenly deleted by your keys or even by you on your Android phone. You can select as many as possible in this case right here. Once you are done, then simply come to the top right here and click on Back. By the time you click on Protect App again, you see some of the new apps you just added to your protected catalog. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.